The 5 scariest sounds recorded in outer space. 1. Sound travels differently in space due to the vacuum, making it eerie and haunting. 2. One chilling sound is the eerie whistling of the interstellar wind detected by Voyager 1. 3. The eerie plasma wave recordings from Jupiter reveal a terrifying symphony of alien sounds. 4. Saturn's ghostly radio emissions create an unsettling audio landscape from its unique atmosphere. 5. The haunting sounds of black holes emit frequencies that resonate with a deep, unsettling echo. Subscribe for more eerie space content.